Are you looking for the best down jackets for men? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best down jackets for men on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best for warmth. If you live or recreate in a place with bone-chilling winters, the RAB Neutrino Pro is one of our favorite down jackets for its phenomenal warmth. We've used this jacket in over a dozen mountain ranges, from sub-zero ski expeditions in Alaska to stormy ice climbing trips in the Canadian Rockies, and found the Neutrino Pro to be an essential layer for such adventures. While there are even puffier coats out there, this jacket strikes a great balance of retaining heat without being too bulky, allowing our team to comfortably wear it for walks around town, belaying, or performing camp chores. I haven't found another jacket in our reviews lineup that could compete with the Neutrino Pro for warmth, our head jacket tester, Zach Lovell, shared. Unfortunately, this model will require shelling out quite a bit of cash, but the RAB Electron Pro is a nice alternative that will save you about $60, though it doesn't have quite as much down. Specifications: Downfill 800 fill power European goose down with Granger's fluorocarbon-free hydrophobic finish. Responsible down standard, RDS, certified yes. Outer fabric 20D Pertex Quantum Pro. Measured weight 20.1 m. Hem type drop hem, small. Number 2. Lightweight on a budget. The Eddie Bauer Cirrus Light Hooded breaks the mold as a down jacket that's super light and won't cost you a fortune. In the sub-niche of lightweight insulation, most manufacturers jack up the cost at sometimes dizzying amounts, but Eddie Bauer offers this 9.9-ounce jacket at a relatively palatable price point. The 650 fill down kept the review team warm on cool summer evenings and spring or fall days, but another layer or two was needed for the coldest winter months. If you need a featherweight option with better heat retention, consider the Mountain Hardwear Ghost Whisperer, which weighs even less than the Cirrus Light but is much harder on the wallet. Sure, the Cirrus Light isn't the warmest, but it's super comfy and I was easily able to layer it over or under other jackets depending on the weather, our down jacket expert Zach Lovell concluded. Specifications: Downfill 650 fill power down. Responsible down standard, RDS, certified yes. Outer fabric 100% recycled nylon. Measured weight 281 g 9.9 ounces, s. Hem type straight. Number 3. Good value on a very limited budget. Down puffies can get expensive, but not the want-to packable down hoodie. This model costs about half as much as the second most inexpensive down jacket in our testing lineup and less than a quarter of the high-end models. It has an average warmth-to-weight ratio and packs down into an included stuff sack. It's filled with 90% duck-down insulation and has a thin outer shell with an adequately comfortable liner. It's pretty astonishing how good this model is, considering the price, admits our lead tester. The Camel Crown Packable Puffer, which costs nearly twice as much but is still very affordable, doesn't even come close to the warmth and comfort offered by the Want-To. Whether you're heading to work or spending the day playing outside, a small and light insulation layer like the Want-To is an excellent option to carry. It's easy to take with you anywhere you go, just in case, continues our lead tester. And it costs less than an average lift ticket, so it's hard to pass up this deal. Specifications: Downfill 90% duck down. Responsible down standard, RDS, certified yes. Outer fabric 20D 400T nylon. Measured weight 301 g 10.6 ounces, s. Hem type straight. Number 4. Best for weather resistance. In the cold months of the year, rain and snow are an inevitability for many climates, making the outdoor research helium down hoodie a great jacket for staying warm and repelling some moisture. While we'd suggest a full-blown rain jacket if anticipating extended downpours, the Pertex Diamond Fuse fabric in the helium's arms and shoulders greatly helps you stay dry when the sky goes dark. The helium is the down jacket I'd reach for when I want packable and do anything insulation, tester Zach Lovell shared. If you're needing a layer that'll offer more warmth in frigid temperatures, consider the specifications. Downfill 800 plus fill power goose down. Responsible down standard, RDS, certified yes. Outer fabric 15D and 30D 100% nylon Pertex quantum diamond fuse. Measured weight 400 g 14.1 ounces, S. Hem type straight. While the helium is a somewhat warm jacket, it doesn't sport the largest amount of insulation, our review team offered. Besides a few nitpicky details, this is a very well-made down coat that'll help you stay protected during cold and windy adventures, also offering a great fit that encourages mobility.